Daddy got this new cologne and I am nosy, so I'm going to open it before it gets back. So it's a dark blue. Adore perfume. It has ingredients, is what I'm reading at the back. Ooh, smell like baby doodle. Maybe it's just the box. The fan blew it right back in my face. It's hard to tell you the smell. But it's like mostly alcohol, and it's my vocabulary short. I can't describe the smell, but it smells nice, very strong. Almost assassinated me and took me out, but Daddy!